Chester B. Palambang.
What's up mga kababe? For today's video ay nandito po tayo ngayon sa Colegio de San Juan de Letran dito sa Calamba City. Pa-awardan po ang aming anak ng records list. Kasama po siya sa awardan dito si Vince Chester Balakpa. Ayan mga kababe, hintayin lang po natin.
1 o'clock pa.
1 PM po ang start ng awarding. Para mga kababe, at ikot-ikot muna po tayo dito sa Colegio de San Juan de Letran, Calamba City.
Tara. Wala na yung oval. Dati doon kami sa oval eh. Okay, pasok ka. Tara. St. Joseph Hall. Video na natin. Thank you. Dito ay pa-plus naman siya.
And earned their place on the Dean's List and Rector's List for the first semester of the academic year 2024-2025. We will also be awarding the recipients of the St. Thomas Aquinas Scholarship.
As we recognize these exemplary individuals, we also pay tribute to the unwavering support of their families, the guidance of their professors, and the camaraderie of their peers, all of whom have played integral roles in their accomplishments.
To formally start our program, may we invite everyone to please stand for the opening prayer to be immediately followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem.
Vice President for Religious Education, Mission and Identity, Father Laurel Toss, OP, and Vice President for Finance, Father Michael Sales, OP. Good afternoon to our dear students, parents, guardians, faculty, staff, administrators. Let me welcome you all to the awarding ceremony for academic honors and scholars for the first semester of academic year 2024-2025. Today, we honor the hard work, dedication, and excellence demonstrated by our students. Achieving a study-life balance is no easy feat. Alam natin yun. With countless distractions from social media and other environmental stimuli, you have managed to stay focused. Let me congratulate you, our dear students, parents, and guardians, on this remarkable achievement. To our Dean's Listers and Rector's Listers, well done. We are truly proud of you. Your determination serves as an inspiration to your peers and a source of pride to your family. A heartfelt thank you as well to our teachers, staff, program chairs, and academic heads for your unwavering dedication. To our honorees, as you strive for academic excellence, always remember that true excellence is not solely measured by high academic performance. Competence alongside character is what will lead you to success in your chosen field. So let us always be grateful, acknowledging and celebrating even the smallest victories. And as you pursue greater achievements, always choose kindness. As Letranites, let us embody the values of conscience, discipline, and excellence. Your journey is far from over, but we are confident that as Letranites, you will continue to shine as long as you pursue both competence and character. May you continue to be inspired and to inspire others as well. Once again, congratulations on this well-deserved honor. See you at the next recognition day. Arriba, Letran.
Seneca, a writer, a thinker in ancient times, wrote, "Non scole servite discimus." We study not for school, but for life. Non scole sed vitae discius. Today, my dear Latranites, our dear students, you receive a recognition. But you will receive a recognition not because of the grades that you have attained, not because of the academic achievements, performances that you have delivered in the past semester. Today, this afternoon, we recognize you for the lessons that you have learned and lived out in your individual lives. We recognize you today of what you have become, or rather, who you have become after burning the midnight oil. Sino na kayo ngayon matapos ang unang semestre? That question is also asked to the families who have accompanied our students in their academic journey. Who you have become after accompanying your children, your loved ones in their academic studies. I hope and pray you have become not simply students aiming for higher grades, but rather truly Latranites who have embodied the values of Deus Patria Letran, of conscience, discipline, and excellence. May you remain dedicated in your formation as true Christians, as true-blooded Latranites through your studies, that in the end, you may be able to give glory to God, to our country, and most especially to Letran. Maraming salamat po. Arriba, Letran.
Shante Shane Efrain A. Raimundo. Congratulations to all the awardees for the Dean's List. At this juncture, let us recognize the students who qualified for the Rector's List. The qualifications for Rector's List are as follows. Enrolled in full semestral load. Has a grade of at least 1.25 SGPA with no grade lower than 1.5 in any course, and has not incurred any authorized withdrawal, unauthorized withdrawal, or failed grade. Remarks. The certificates and medals will be awarded by the Vice President for Religious Education, Mission and Identity Division, Reverend Father Lauro G. De Dios of the Order of Preachers, together with Dr. Florican and Capo and the academic heads.
Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing. Giselle M. Gabos. Vince Chester B. Palambak.